When it comes to superior breeding, the work that's been done on hydrangeas in the past few decades is amazing. There are a lot of variations of flower colour, shape and size, which are capturing our imaginations in the garden. But it's this variety released from Anthony Tesselaar Plants that's taking everything to a new level. This is the Tuxedo hydrangea. What makes this hydrangea so different is its selection for tough Aussie conditions. It grows so well, whether it be in a garden bed or in a large pot like this. And look at it, isn't it magnificent? These flowers are gorgeous. But the real point of difference is the foliage. When it first comes out, it's absolutely black, and you can see it's still dark, but as it ages, it gets this wonderful olive green colour to it, and the contrast is absolutely stunning. It's a hydrangea that's great in a large pot like this, and look at it, what a feature. One, you can move around to places where you spend more time in the garden so you get to admire it longer. Or plant it in the ground as you would a traditional hydrangea. Now, when it comes to highlights, well, this plant, it's got to be the flowers. They are just gorgeous big pom-poms. You can see all the little bracts in here. They are magnificent. Now, they start out this quite vibrant reddish colour, but they do fade to a pink as it gets older. And the flowers will stay on this plant right through the summer. And interestingly enough, it keeps producing new flowers. So eventually, the whole plant is covered in these gorgeous pom-poms that you can see all over it. Now, the only time you'd think about pruning any of these off will be as you move into the winter and the plant's starting to go dormant. You might take a few heads off. This will just stimulate more flowering in the next growth season. It just makes the plant bigger and better. Hydrangea Tuxedo is a classic example of superior genetics, delivering us incredibly hardy and spectacular garden plants. And it's available from leading garden centres right across the country.